Opening an Ally Bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed online in just a few steps. Visit the Ally Bank website. Navigate to the Ally Bank website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Choose account type. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as a checking account, savings account, or certificate of deposit. Provide personal information. Enter your personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Fund your account. Decide how you want to fund your new account. You can transfer money from an existing bank account, deposit a check via mobile deposit, or initiate a wire transfer. Review and confirm. Review the information you've provided for accuracy and confirm your application. Identity verification. Ally Bank may require identity verification, which can often be completed electronically using information provided in your application. Agree to terms and conditions. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of opening an account with Ally Bank. Receive confirmation. Once your account is approved and open, you will receive confirmation via email or text message, along with instructions on how to access your account online or through the Ally mobile app.